let's go on to our next story, which is going to be an update on Rachel Powell, who was a Mercer County woman indicted in the U.S. Capitol riot case. Before we dig right into this, raise your cup and your glass in the air. Let's take another sip. First the coffee, then the justice. Cheers with me. It tastes better when we sip together. Delicious. Mercer County is in Pennsylvania, right outside of Pittsburgh. Mercer County woman indicted in U.S. Capitol riot case. A federal grand jury in the District of Columbia on Wednesday indicted Rachel Powell, a Mercer County woman dubbed the Bullhorn Lady, who the FBI said used a bullhorn to exhort pro-Trump rioters to storm the U.S. Capitol on January 6. Ms. Powell had already been charged by a complaint following an FBI investigation. Federal authorities have 30 days to bring an indictment following a complaint. The grand jury charged Mrs. Powell with 8 counts related to her alleged actions at the Capitol, including obstruction of an official proceeding, aiding and abetting, destruction of government property, and engaging in physical violence in a restricted building with a deadly or dangerous weapon. The FBI said Ms. Powell was seen among the rioters in numerous videos, at one point helping to use a huge section of pipe to smash a Capitol window and then yelling instructions through a bullhorn to other rioters about the layout of the building. The indictment says she was also carrying an ice axe and large wooden pole. Ms. Powell remains free on bond pending trial. She is one of several residents of Western Pennsylvania charged with participating in the Capitol riots. So Ms. Powell was lucky, right? After the article we just read, a lot of these federal judges are holding the people who committed violence or property damage in jail pending their charges. However, Ms. Powell has got out. She is on house arrest. She's accused of violence here. I predict that she will get some jail or prison time. From prior articles, she was in the no remorse crowd. However, it's going to be most important to show remorse once you are being sentenced and or if you accept responsibility and plead guilty. In Pennsylvania, there is a woman's prison. The one that was on Orange is the New Black. I am going to make a prediction here that she gets sent there, but she could get a combination of prison and house arrest. Remember, everybody, if you like my content, you like Joe the Lawyer, you like how I bring you the news, and the news that I bring you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.